So now I'm going to reassemble the governor assembly, if you like. I've already put the weights back in. That was quite easy, so you didn't really need to see that. Okay, so I've got new springs, as I said before, and the tension in these new springs is a lot more. That's the original spring that came out. That's a lot more than that one. I don't know if that's going to cause me any issues. I might have to get onto a forum and ask about that. Hopefully not, but anyway, we'll give it a go. Okay, so we'll feed those through first, and I'll need a bit of a tap down, I think. I don't know if there's any way around these springs. Need to go for it. There isn't there. There's probably a technique for doing this. That one went on quite easily. This one's going to be a bit harder. Let's work it round with the screwdriver. That's in. Put the split pins in. I think I'll go that way. We'll cut those off later on. It's going to be a bit harder, it's bent a little bit. That one's in. Follow it around the screwdriver. That one's in. Excuse me. I don't think it matters which way I put these split pins in, to be quite honest. As I say, excuse me, I'll cut those off later. Okay, so that's working, but there's quite a lot of tension there, a lot more than if I'd used springs like that, so I hope that's not going to be an issue. This assembly I can't put on until I feed it through there, so that's got to go, I think, from memory through that way into there, and that goes into there. It's a bit dark, you probably can't see that, but there's a cog in there which drives onto that one, so I don't know if you can see that. So the next thing would be for me to put that in, as I say, feed it through that, put the roll pin in, and bolt that on the end. I have to clean this out. I know I've painted this, I've primed it, but I think I need to do a little bit of cleaning inside first. So I think the next video I'll clean that out, and put this through. We'll assemble it. That'll be the next video.